my name is James, and today I'm going to show you how to make a book creator book. Here I've got my cover, and maybe I want to decorate it. So we hit the plus button, and here we have comics, shapes, and media. And so maybe I want to, let's say, have a background. So I would go to the eye. And here I've got all my different backgrounds. Down here, it's got colors, paper, borders, anything like that. And so I think I'm going to choose dark wood. And as you can see, it pops up right here. And I clicked there for it to go away. And maybe I want to add like the title and maybe what it's about. And so I would hit the plus button. And there are a couple ways to do it. You can hit text and you can have maybe caption, and right here this is where you would type in what you want your title to be. So maybe it's going to be all about me. I hit done. Now, if I want to make it bigger, I can go and hit the plus button and it'll start making it bigger. Maybe I want to make it super big right here. And maybe if I want to center it, I can hit this and it's centered. And now maybe I want to move it right here in the middle. And so now maybe I want to add a picture of myself. So I would hit the plus button again, go to media, and hit the camera. And it's usually gonna say this, and it either has block or allow. If you want to take a picture, hit allow, and then you can take a picture. I'd go up here and I would click it, and I would do click it, and then I would hit use picture, and then there's my picture. I can click on it to make it smaller or bigger, and maybe I want to put it right there. And so now I've got my cover. And so now let's go to the next page. Now, maybe since it's all about me, maybe I want to put some things that I like to do. And so I'm going to go to this eye right here. And again, I think I might want to do the dark wood, or maybe let's try a different one. Maybe I want to go to textures. And then I've got all these cool looking textures, and I think I'm going to choose this one. And so as you can see, it pops up right here, and I click it to make it go away. And then I want to add a picture. Hit the plus button, and I go to import, and if you want to type in what you're looking for or what you like, you can type in here. I like to go mountain biking or fishing. Let's do fishing. And maybe this one right here. And so now I go down here, hit select, and it pops up right there. So I hit it again, make it smaller, and I can go up there, maybe put it right there. And maybe I want to add something, and right here I want to put maybe I I like to go fishing a lot. Period. And there. So I also kind of like to go biking. And so I would hit inspector. I would I can maybe if I want to go to inspector, maybe check out some cool stuff there. If I want to change my background, because if I don't like it, like say I didn't want this right here, I could easily click undo and it would go back to what it was before. So then I would hit undo. Sometimes it takes a little while, but that's okay. And so maybe I want to go and just do regular text. So then right here, I would do I oop, I like to go fishing a lot. Period and done. And now I can move it maybe right there. And maybe since right here, I'm like, oh, that's kind of hard to see since this is black background and that is also black. So then I would go to the eye and maybe I want to make it a little bigger. Ooh, not too big. And maybe right there. Maybe I want to change the color. Maybe let's do blue. And so then I've got this little part right here. Maybe I also want to go, I also like doing mountain biking. So maybe, wrong one. And I would go here, I would do pen, and they've got pen, paintbrush, crayon, marker, and this is a really special one, an auto one, and I'm going to do this one. So right here, I want to draw a picture of a bike. So I would draw the wheels, and then I would have the frame right here, and maybe here's the seat. Go down again, make another wheel, and then I go up here to make the steering wheel, and then right here, as you can see, two pictures of bikes pop up. So maybe I want to do this one. And so right there, it has a picture of a bike. And now maybe I want to make it bigger. Maybe I don't really want the color black. I would go click here, and it's got all these different cool looking colors. And it also has this. Maybe I don't want that. Maybe, let's say, maybe a red. Put really anything you like. My favorite color is blue, and so maybe I have a blue bike. And then I would hit the X, and maybe I want to add an emoji. Maybe I want to do I'm excited. Maybe let's do this one right here. And I would click done. And there I have my picture of bike and me looking very excited. And so maybe I want to put I like to go biking a lot. And so I would go to comics and maybe hit this type of text. You have caption, title, boom, text. This is just regular text, or maybe let's do boom. And so I would do I like to go biking a lot. And I would hit done. Whoop. And if this happens sometimes, you can click this green one and you can move it side to side. And maybe I want to make it straight right here. And again, I would do this, bring it down here. Maybe it's a bit too big. Or maybe it's just right. And so then I'd go right here And then maybe my favorite food. Oh, that's a hard one. Maybe go to import for this. This is hard. I think tacos. Tacos. Enter. Ooh boy. These looks like some tasty tacos. Let's click it, and then you go down here. Again, hit select, and then maybe it's a bit too big. I would get it smaller, maybe right there. Oops. Well, maybe a bit smaller. It's taking up a lot of the room. There we go. And maybe I want to have it right here. And then I have text and say my favorite. Ah, and I can go here, click it, and it would say favorite, because that's what I was trying to do. My favorite food is tacos. And so then I would add a period and hit done, and then it pops up right here. Maybe I want it right there. So then again, I would go here, and maybe I want it a bit bigger. And again, you can choose it wherever and how big you want it. Just going right here to this eye. Then I think I want to change the color. Let's do red. And maybe I might want to change my font to all these cool looking ones. Maybe that one. Maybe I want to make it a bit bigger. Maybe go right there. Be that. And I am done. Now, if you want to see your book, you can hit the read book button. And if you want to go to the beginning, this is your cover. And then if you want to see inside of the book, you click here and you can see your beautiful page. I hope you guys have fun with Book Creator.